Yeah, the camera. Alright. The camera. Now, she doesn't have straight hands at all. Notice the movement that she's purposely making. Anyways, you know how to turn it off, right?
No.
Turn it off on them.
Why would I turn it off from you?
Okay, so you have to run around this thing here, trying to keep it steady. Okay, camera?
Okay.
Only try to go around as long as you can. I'll try to get 30 seconds. Go. That's it. Stand here. You okay? You okay? You okay? This deal is hard to her to do. Now you're gonna have to try to swing on the swings while trying to get a picture of that hill over there. Okay? Go. Don't fall down. Ah! Not again! Try swinging with the camera. It's an Iron Man shot, okay? Don't break the camera. Almost gonna kill me. Let's do go. Again. Go. Now I have to say goodbye to you guys. But to end it off, Manaki is gonna slide down, trying to make a perfect shot. Bye. Bye.
Baby, bye, bye, bye. I wanna be a fool for you. Just another thing when you